Aerodome, and the London Fire Brigade on the next Public Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, November 7 at 3 p.m. ET. The Public Safety Drone Review is a collaborative webcast, co-sponsored by Drone Responders and DroneLife. Continue reading below, or listen. DroneLife Public Safety Drone Review, NovemberPublic Safety Drone Review, Tuesday, November 7 at 3 p.m. ET. Register here. This month, hosts Timothy Martin and Miriam McNabb review the latest news stories about drones in public safety, first response, fire and police with our guests Brett Conda of new DFR provider Aerodome and Lee Newman, the drone lead at the London Fire Brigade. Our guests will then speak and answer questions about the new product offering, and working with drones in London, a city twice the size of NYC. Brett Conda is a respected drone industry veteran, working for thermal imaging experts FLIR and first responder SWAT drone provider Brink before joining Aerodome, a drone as first responder, DFR, startup founded by experienced public safety officers. Aerodome offers a drone-agnostic, DFR as a service solution that scales for every size implementation. Lee Newman Jr. is station officer and drone project lead at the London Fire Brigade, where he has served for 24 years. Lee is currently stationed at Brigade Headquarters, working on the Operational Assurance and Policy team. Having worked with drones in firefighting from 2017, Lee is a recognized drone expert and frequent speaker and resource for the public safety community. Whether you are an active member of the public safety community using drones, interested in getting started, or a stakeholder in public safety drone technology, join us for this free, monthly event. The Public Safety Drone Review neither makes nor accepts payment for guest appearances.